All right, check this out, dude. Freaking Professor Bain in Dayton, Ohio, donated me this cool ass fucking piece of equipment. It does everything. So we got lock. Oh, maybe I'll steal it. Awesome. Pretty cool. We have lights. And it's USB rechargeable. And then we have alert. Pretty fucking cool, dude. Pretty fucking cool. I think it's already saved my bike once in front of a grocery store. I didn't lock it up, just leaned my bike up and hit the lock button. And I came back out and it was beeping. So that means somebody had to have touched it twice. And it definitely deterred them from stealing my shit. So thank you so much, Professor Bain. Thank you. That's it's USB rechargeable, dude. It's bright, it's loud. What a cool piece of equipment. Thank you. Subscribe, like, ride your bike.